हांव पल्लवी डेम्पो, एक्झेक्टिव्ह डिरेक्टर डेम्पो इंडस्ट्रीज. 24 एप्रील आमचे गोंयचे मानादीक मुखेलमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोदबाब सावंताचो वाडदिवस. हांव तांकां म्हजी शुभेच्छा दितां आनी देवा कडेन मागता की तांकां खूब आयुश्य आनी आरोग्य देवान दिवचें म्हणून. During his successful tenure as our Honourable Chief Minister of Goa, he's had a very progressive vision towards the development of Goa. His commitment to Goa and Goans has been immense, and he's always, in terms of public service, his work has been commendable. I still remember during my Lok Sabha elections, I got the opportunity to work very closely with him, and I've seen his approachability to the common man at large. He has always given immense respect and dignity to everyone around him, and he's got respect and dignity in return. As a trustee of Dempo Charities Trust, I've also got the opportunity to work closely with him in the field of education. His impressive initiatives towards the youth of Goa in the field of education, in skill development and in training has been immense. बायलांचे सशक्तीकरण आनी सिनियर सिटिझन्सां खातीर तांणी खूब वावर केला आनी सगळ्या गोंयच्या हिताक लागून तांणी भरपूर इम्प्रेसिव्ह काम केलां. सो टुडे एंड ऑलवेज आय लायक टू विश हिम एवरी सक्सेस, गुड हेल्थ, हॅपीनेस. देव बरें करूं.